Something's missing. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mo's Garage. So today's episode, we're going to be installing some lower doors on this RZR over here. These things are sold with the with like half doors, and the problem with that is when you're driving, well, lately it's been snow that we have here in Canada, so when you're driving in the snow, it's not too bad when you're in the trail in the snow, but it's when you get into the slushy areas and that, what tends to happen is the slush will go past the fenders and it'll go right inside. If I don't have a passenger and I'm gone for a ride and I come back, like a good half of the seat, you can see there's spots of dirt and whatever the tire kicks up. So at the dealer, these lower door panels, they're made out of some kind of formed plastic or whatever, and they're like about $569, I think, Canadian. Crazy amount of money. I ain't willing to shell out $569 for lower door panels. These machines, there's so many things you can put on them, not roll bars, but brush guards and front bumpers and stuff like that. And I mean, if you go to the dealership all the time for this stuff, you're going to pay a fortune. There's lots of aftermarket stuff. Some things are worth it, other things aren't. For me, at the moment, spending $569 on lower door panels just doesn't sit well, so I'm not going to do that. What I found are some lower door panels on Amazon. They're made out of aluminum, they're black, so what could go wrong? I mean, they're simple to install, it's 3 bolts. Like I said, I got them from Amazon. They're Kemimoto brand. They sell all kinds of stuff. Anyways, the price for those lower doors were $169 Canadian. So there's like quite a bit of savings right there that you can use, you know, to get other stuff for your machine if you so desire. And most guys end up wanting to always buy stuff to go on them. So anyways, that's the video for today. We're going to be installing those doors. So we're going to start with the unboxing and see what's in there. All right, so here we go. Here's the box that it came in. So what we got in here is one of the door panels. Let's open this up, see what it looks like. So there you go. That's one of the door panels. Looks nice. And then of course there's another door panel. You also get these here are corner pieces. I'll show you where these go after. These are also easy to install. And you get the hardware, and there's also a rubber gasket that you put along at the bottom that I suppose will give some kind of seal. Let's get to it. Alright, so to install the lower door panel, you first take this little clip that they supply you with, and you install that right here in the middle. And then you remove this screw. For that you need the T27. And then you remove this bolt with a T40. You take the supplied little bolt, you put the lock washer on first and then the flat washer. Let me screw in place. And you grab your bolt with a T40, sorry. You just put everything loose. You then take the T27, replace this screw. Snug this one up a little bit. Actually, I'll snug them all up. Check the fit. Seems to fit nice. It's not going to be exactly flush down. There's also a rubber gasket that gets put on. So, this is down, so I'll just tighten this up. I'll use the hex T5 to screw this back in. Tighten this one up. Looks pretty good. You might have to adjust a little bit here and there, but it seems to go on pretty easy. There you go. And that's that. The door is installed. Last thing, they supply you a rubber gasket. Just start from here. Now, do I honestly think that that rubber is going to stick on there? Probably not. I may have to add some kind of adhesive. So that's it, guys. We've got the door panel here. The lower door panel is installed. We've got the triangular piece. And that's how she looks. It gives it a more finished look. And the other thing I was thinking is if I get tired of just having the lower section black and this black, just vinyl wrap it with white. That way you'll have the black here breaking up. You've got white and you've got more black. You know, if you get tired of just the all black look, you can just dress it up with some white vinyl. Should be fairly easy to do, it's fairly flat. Alright guys, so if you've liked the video, smash that subscribe button, leave some comments, and share it. Thanks guys, see you on the next one.